In this calming watercolor tutorial, we'll be painting a beautiful grain-filled sunset. We'll be practicing different techniques, including the wet on wet technique and painting gradient effects. You will experience the relaxing effect of the watercolors gradually flowing into each other. Take your time, paint at your own pace, and above all, have fun! I'll be painting today's grain-filled sunset on a rectangle-shaped piece of paper. If you have preference for clear white edges, like I do in this painting, you can apply masking tape to your watercolor paper. For the background of this painting, I'll be using a round size 8 brush. The detailed grain plants will be painted with a size 0 round brush. For the painting in this watercolor tutorial, you can pick 3 background colors of your liking, or you can follow my example. I'll be using 5 colors in total: Rose Madder, Naples Yellow, Cobalt Green Deep, Neutral Tint, and a White Gouache. I mix my red with my yellow and a fair amount of water. My green shade has been mixed with a little bit of neutral tint and a few drops of water. Before I started painting, I drew a circle just above the middle of my paper, which indicates the placement of the sun we'll be painting later. I used a small tape roll to draw the circle. Make sure your pencil line is very light. You will notice that mine is too dark and comes through the paint in the final result. After drawing the circle, I wetted my paper with clean water. I wet the space of my sun too. But if you want to make sure your sun stays white, you can leave your sun dry and just wet the rest of your paper. You know that you're using enough water if your paper has a nice shine and no puddles. As you can see, the pencil lines of the sun are coming through my paint. A small mistake which I'm luckily able to partly cover up. If the same happened to you, it's nothing to worry about. We all make mistakes. And this is a great lesson for next time. When your painting is dry, you can remove your masking tape. You did it! You created your own mindful piece of art. I hope you feel relaxed and enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to paint with me today again.